Most visitors come to Rome to see famous landmarks, the Colosseum, the Pantheon, St. Peter's Basilica, but some of the city's most revealing places aren't monuments at all. They're the streets between them, and together they help explain how Rome actually works. Rome wasn't built all at once, and it wasn't built according to a single plan. The city moved through ancient, medieval, and Renaissance phases, and unlike many cities, Rome rarely erased what came before. This is Campo de Fiori, and the name itself is a clue to what this place used to be. Campo de Fiori means fields of flowers. Before it was paved in the 1450s, this was literally an open meadow on the edge of the city. Once it was paved, it became something else entirely. Not a religious square, but a commercial one. Without a church anchoring it, Campo de Fiori developed around travelers and trade instead. Inns lined the perimeter to host visiting merchants and clergy passing through Rome, and the square hosted everything from horse markets to public tournaments. In 1600, Giordano Bruno was executed here, and the statue that you see was added centuries later. But the daily market you see here today is its own piece of history. It's been running in this exact spot every morning since 1869. Campo de Fiori shows us Rome as a public city, built for commerce and gathering rather than worship, and still functioning that way more than 5 centuries later. Via Giulia feels different immediately. Long, straight, orderly, almost un-Roman, and that's because it was designed to be. In 1508, Pope Julius II commissioned Via Giulia as part of a broader effort to transform Rome. This is the same pope who commissioned Michelangelo to paint the Sistine Chapel. But Julius wasn't only thinking about art, he wanted to reshape the city itself. At the time, most Roman streets still followed medieval patterns, narrow, irregular, organic. Via Giulia represented a Renaissance idea, order imposed on the city, a grand avenue connecting important institutions and projecting papal authority. Much of that vision was never completed. The massive government complexes planned here never fully materialized, and yet the failure became part of the street's identity. Via Giulia shows us the Rome that was imagined, the Rome Renaissance popes hoped to build. Via del Governo Vecchio doesn't follow a grand plan. Its character developed gradually, over centuries, but that doesn't mean it lacks history. The street takes its name from the Palazzo del Governo Vecchio, which once housed the office of Rome's papal governor, before the role eventually moved to the Quirinal Palace. And after that, this stretch of road formed part of the Via Papalis, the medieval processional route popes used to travel between the Vatican and the Lateran Basilica on the other side of the city. For centuries, this quiet street carried some of the most important traffic in Rome. What it never had was a single plan holding it together. The bends in the streets, the changing building lines, the small businesses, all reflect the city adapting one decision at a time rather than one vision applied all at once. And because people still live and work here, the street never became a museum piece. It's still functioning as part of the city, still changing, still evolving. Taken individually, these places might not seem especially important. They're not Rome's biggest attractions, they're not the city's most famous landmarks, but together they reveal something essential about Rome. Campo de Fiori shows us the public city. Via Giulia shows us the planned city, a Renaissance vision frozen halfway to completion. Via del Governo shows us the evolving city, a street that carried popes for centuries and still carries everyday life today. Three different versions of Rome existing side by side. The monuments explain Rome's history. Places like these explain the city. Follow the travel plan for more of Rome's history.